Imagine having the power to transform your life overnight. While it might sound like something out of a fantasy, the science of subconscious reprogramming during sleep shows us that change can be both profound and achievable. This video explores how you can harness the dormant power of your mind while you rest, shaping your thoughts and behaviors in ways that align with your aspirations and goals. The subconscious mind is a remarkable aspect of our mental framework, operating below the level of conscious awareness. It serves as a vast storage room for all our past experiences, emotions, and learned behaviors. Essentially, this part of your brain works continuously, managing everything from your breathing to your emotional reactions to complex stimuli, all without your active engagement. Our subconscious influences a vast range of our daily activities and decisions without us even realizing it. For instance, the habits we find hard to break, or the instincts that guide our reactions, are rooted in this hidden yet impactful part of our psyche. By learning to influence the subconscious mind, you can make significant changes in your life, from breaking undesirable habits to fostering new, positive behaviors that align with your personal growth and aspirations. The influence of the subconscious mind extends beyond simple tasks and into the very core of our emotional and behavioral patterns. This part of the mind is a tapestry woven with the threads of past experiences and learned behaviors. For example, if you've ever found yourself reacting in a certain way and wondered why, you can often trace that reaction back to a deep-seated subconscious belief or experience. Understanding this can be empowering because it means that by changing the underlying beliefs and behaviors stored in your subconscious, you can change your day-to-day life. The first step to achieving this is recognizing that your subconscious is always listening, always recording. Every event, every interaction, and every reaction is logged deep in this internal archive, influencing how you will react to similar situations in the future. Stay tuned as we explore how sleep plays a crucial role in this reprogramming process, providing a unique opportunity to influence and reshape our subconscious mind effectively. This exploration is not just about improving how we think, but also fundamentally transforming our approach to life's challenges and opportunities. By understanding the fundamental operations of your subconscious mind and recognizing its influence on your behavior, you set the stage for meaningful personal change. Now we'll explore how sleep interacts with the subconscious, offering a window of opportunity for profound personal development that many might not realize is possible. While we transition from daytime consciousness to the restorative state of sleep, our brains do not simply shut down. Instead, they shift gears, engaging in a variety of complex processes that affect everything from mental stability to emotional resilience. During sleep, the brain cycles through several stages, each characterized by different types of brain waves and levels of brain activity. This cycle is crucial for processing the day's experiences and integrating new information with existing knowledge. One of the most critical stages for influencing the subconscious mind is the rapid eye movement, REM sleep. It is during REM sleep that the brain is most active in processing emotional and experiential information. This stage is fertile ground for seeding new ideas into the subconscious, as the barriers that typically filter out information during waking hours are less rigid. Here, the thoughts and affirmations you focus on before sleep can begin to take root, subtly guiding the subconscious toward adopting these new patterns as part of your inherent behavior. Understanding how sleep enhances learning and memory consolidation is key to harnessing it for subconscious reprogramming. During sleep, particularly in the deep stages, the brain replays the day's events and solidifies memories. This process is not just about storage, but about making connections between new information and what is already known, a process that underpins learning and adaptation. The neural capability of the brain can be directed toward personal development through intentional thought patterns established before sleep. For instance, if you spend a few minutes reflecting on a positive affirmation or a new behavior you wish to adopt, your brain processes and rehearses this information throughout the night. This rehearsal is not random, but a targeted integration of new ideas with old ones, reinforcing your desired changes without the interference of the conscious, critical mind that might often resist new beliefs during waking hours. Starting on the journey of subconscious reprogramming requires both understanding and technique. One effective approach involves establishing a pre-sleep routine that primes the mind for positive influence. Begin by dedicating the last hour before bed to activities that promote relaxation and mental serenity. Engaging in meditation, listening to soothing music, or reading uplifting material can significantly influence the mind's receptivity to new ideas during sleep. Affirmations are another powerful tool in this arsenal. These are positive, precise statements that reflect your desired state or behavior, such as, "I am confident in my abilities," or "I choose to respond to challenges with calmness and insight." By repeating these affirmations as you drift off to sleep, you send clear messages to your subconscious, leveraging the brain's enhanced ability to integrate these affirmations during the REM stage of sleep. To maximize the effectiveness of your nighttime reprogramming, it is crucial to create an environment conducive to both relaxation and mental processing. This involves more than just a comfortable bed. Consider the role of lighting, where dim, warm lights can signal your brain that it's time to wind down. Similarly, reducing background noise or incorporating white noise can help deepen your sleep and thus enhance the brain's ability to work efficiently through the night. Using tools like guided meditations or sleep-focused audio tracks can further enhance this process. These tools are designed to provide gentle mental stimulation that guides the subconscious in desired directions, without the need for conscious effort. They can be particularly effective during the initial phases of sleep, when the mind is transitioning from a wakeful state to deep relaxation. Adjusting your lifestyle to improve sleep quality is not only about enhancing physical health, but also about optimizing your mind for subconscious reprogramming. Diet and exercise play pivotal roles in this regard. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains can significantly impact your sleep quality by reducing nighttime discomforts like indigestion or acid reflux, which often disrupt sleep. Integrating regular physical activity into your routine helps regulate your sleep patterns, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. These physical activities don't need to be intense. Even a gentle evening walk can prepare your body and mind for a good night's rest. Managing stress is another crucial aspect of improving sleep, and by extension, enhancing subconscious reprogramming. High stress levels can interfere with your ability to enter the deeper, more restorative stages of sleep, where significant subconscious work occurs. Techniques such as yoga, mindfulness, and deep breathing exercises can be effective in lowering stress levels before bed. By creating a nightly routine that includes these stress-reducing practices, you provide your subconscious with a clearer, more focused canvas on which to accept new programming. While we wrap up this exploration into reprogramming your subconscious mind while you sleep, remember that consistency is key. The techniques and lifestyle adjustments discussed can profoundly impact your subconscious reprogramming efforts if applied regularly and with intention. Your journey towards personal transformation doesn't just begin with changing how you think. It's also about reshaping your daily habits to support these mental shifts. We encourage you to start tonight. Choose one or two techniques that resonate with you and begin incorporating them into your evening routine. Whether it's crafting your affirmations, adjusting your sleeping environment, or managing your stress levels, each small step is a leap towards a more empowered and conscious way of living. Thank you for joining us in this insightful journey into the power of your own mind. If you have experiences or questions you'd like to share, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that guides you towards harnessing your full potential. Together, let's unlock a brighter, more fulfilling future.